You know what to do with basic salary. Basic salary into 12, 16,000 into 12. Contribution purpose, don't consider DA. If it is mentioned, then you have to consider DA. Now, her contribution to recognized provident fund is at 15%. Now, what is the limit? Remember, it is what? Her contribution. RPF contribution 12% of salary, that is 2,40,000 plus 60. Why? Why? Because DNS allowances 4,000 per month. Simple, 4,000 into 12, whatever you get, you have to calculate. Now, as per the terms of employment. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 6 of your topic called Tax Management 1. Under Tax Management 1, we are doing income from salary. Now, income from salary in the previous session, we worked out two problems. Now, almost 70 to 80% of the concept we covered. Now, on the basis of same concept, we are working other two problems today. Now, income from salary, it is the most important topic in your examination. Why? Because you will get 15 marks one problem as well as 10 marks one problem. Remember, so without income from salary, you cannot proceed for next chapter. That's why very important, as well as whatever we work out today in your practical case, you can use this. The only subject I can call you, the only subject that is income tax, whatever you study, you will work out, you will work in your further. But if you go for accountancy or auditing or law, 50% which are we will going to work, but 50% it is only for your education purpose or else your graduation purpose. 100% we will not implement whatever you study in accountancy, law and auditing. But 100% whatever you study here, you will implement in your work. If you become a accountant in some shop or auditor in some company, then whatever you learn today, the same thing you will going to apply in your work. The concept will be same, but the numbers will change. Example, your RPF percentage, it is 12% now. Next year, they may make it 14%. Only the percentage will change, but calculation or concept will remain as it is. Now, what will be your agenda? Agenda is very simple, concept as well as problems. Concept, I'll make you understand what concepts included in this problem. And problems we are going to solve today. And once we're done with reading the question, then we'll come back to your concept. Almost 70 to 80% we covered. The same concept we are going to repeat today. So this sheet I use only for your explaining concept. Now, this will be your problem. Compute the taxable salary of Srimati Gopi Devi of Kanpur for the assessment year 2020 as well as 2021. From the following particulars, first one is basic salary. You know what to do with basic salary. Basic salary into 12, 16,000 into 12. Then DNS allowances 4,000 per month. Simple, 4,000 into 12, whatever you get, you have to calculate. Now, as per the terms of employment. Bonus, it is 16,000 per annum. Now, 16,000 per annum, don't multiply into 12. Why? Because already given per year. Then, rent-free accommodation provided by employer at Kanpur exceeding 25 lakh. Remember, if it is above 25 lakh, population is above 25 lakh, it is 15%. Population 10 lakh to 25, it is 10%. Population below 10 lakh, it is nothing but 7.5%. Clear? Yes. Next. Once if you're done with that, furniture provided there in rupees 20,000. Along with that, he has provided with furniture also. Any asset provided directly 10%, 2,000 is taxable. Clear? Yes. Next. Entertainment allowance rupees 1,000 per month. 1,000 into 12, 12,000. Next, her contribution to recognized provident fund is at 15%. Now, what is the limit? Remember, it is what? Her contribution. Her contribution we don't want. We want only employer contribution. Remember this? We don't want her contribution. Employee contribution we don't want. For income tax purpose, employer, for example, from my salary, I contributed something. That is not income for you. For you, that is expenditure. Income tax is not charged on your expenditure. Income tax is charged on your income. Now, employer, owner has contributed. For you, that is income. Now, don't go for her contribution. You have to ignore. Then, employer's contribution to recognized provident fund, 30,000. They have given 30,000. They have not mentioned what percentage they have given. We should calculate 12%. Above 12%, if you get anything, that is taxable. Now, interest on recognized provident fund, it is 9.5%. As I told you, up to 9.5%, it is exempted. Above 9.5%, it is taxable. In the question, they have given 9.5%. Don't do any calculation. It is exempt. If it is above 9.5, the excess will be considered as taxable. Clear? Yes. Free use of large motor. This is very important. For a both official as well as personal purpose, driver also provided by employer. Now, as per this, I'll go for concept. Motor car. Motor car, if it is big, if it is small. If it is big, remember, you have to pay 2,400 per month for tax purpose. Next, if it is small car, you have to pay 1,800 per month for tax purpose. Along with that, if you are provided with driver, 900 per month. If you are provided with driver, it will be 900 per month. Total 3,300 per month and 2,700 per month. Any doubt up to this? No doubts. We done with 3,300. We done with 2,700 also. Clear? Yes, good. Now, sometimes in the question paper, they will not provide you, it is a big or small car. Then what they will give you? They will give you like CC 1,600 and above. CC less than 1,600. 1,600 CC means what? Cubic capacity. If the cubic capacity 1,600 and more, it will be big. If it is less, it will be small car. Clear? Yes, you need to remember this. Now, so we done with that also. We done with all the calculation like concept we have done. I'll go to your answer directly. I don't spend much time in which you already know the concept. Now, salary is very simple. How much it is? 16,000 per month. Now, 16,000 multiplied with 12, it will be 1,92,000. Next, dearness allowance, it is 48,000 already given, like 4,000 per month. 4,000 into 12, it is 48. Done. Bonus, it is 16,000 given directly. Entertainment allowances, 1,000 per month. 1,000 multiplied with 12. Employer's contribution in excess of 12% of salary. This we need to calculate. Now, what is his salary? 1,92,000. Why we have to take DA? I'll go back to your question. Why? Because dearness allowances as per the terms of employment. If they have given adjustment like this, we have to consider dearness allowances. This word is not there, then for your contribution purpose, don't consider DA. If it is mentioned, then you have to consider DA. Now, as per this, 1,92,000 plus 48,000, you will get 2,40,000. On that, what is the basic? 12%. If you calculate 12%, how much you will get? You will get around 28,800. Clear? Yes. How much he has paid? He has paid around 30,000 per annum. Now, 30,000 he has paid, but as per our calculation, we are getting only 28,800. He has paid 1,200 more. Whatever he has paid more, we have to consider for taxable salary. Now, we have considered 1,200. All the working notes we have. Clear? Yes. Now, we're done with that. Car, as I told you, 3,300 per month. Why? It is a big car and it is a large car as well as. So, what is the calculation? 2,400 plus 900, it will be 3,300. So, this is done. So, next, 3,300 multiplied with 12, we will consider this. Now, value of rent-free house. How to calculate? Now, for rent-free house, which are the things we have to consider for salary? Remember, for rent-free house, you can consider your basic salary. You can consider your bonus. You can consider your DA if anything is given in the bracket, then only. Then you can go for entertainment allowance. Entertainment. You can go for medical allowance. You can go for CCA. These things you can consider for your rent-free accommodation. Along with this, you can consider marriage allowance also. Marriage allowance. These things you can consider. Sorry, I have written in slanting manage. Now, these things we have to consider for rent-free accommodation also. Now, we're done with everything. So, we'll go for rent-free accommodation. How they have calculated. And see, basic salary, DA is bonus and something, what is this? Entertainment allowance. In the question, they have not given anything about marriage allowances, medical allowance. If it is given, we should consider. Now, add everything, calculate 15% on 2,68,000, 15% means 40,200. Along with that, we have furniture of 20,000 on the 10%. It is 2,000. Total is 42,200. Now, 42,200, add everything. You got 3,51,100. From that, standard deduction 50,000 minus you got 3,01,000. Any doubt? No doubt. 3,01,000 is your taxable salary. Clear? Yes. I'll go back so that you can take a screenshot. These are your concepts, your problem number 9. So your solution, these are your working note. Now we are into problem number 10, easiest one. Almost we have done with all the concept. Just I explain you and I'll brush up with answer. Now, Mr. X is an employee of company, supplies you the following particular. They are not government employee. Remember, if they are not government employee, we will not touch entertainment allowances. Whatever they have given, just we write it in the column. If he is a government employee, then we have to calculate 5,000, 1/5 of the salary are actually received. Whichever is less has to be given as deduction. Now, basic salary 20,000 per month, 20,000 into 12. DA is 50% of salary. 20,000, 50 means what? 10,000. 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. 50% only we have to consider for. Now, calculate DA, it is over. In the bracket they have given, if you want to calculate for HRA, if you want to calculate for rent-free accommodation, if you want to calculate for your provident fund, don't consider full DA, take only half DA. Half only employment purpose. Clear? Yes. Marriage allowances, multiply and take. Education 270 per month, but 90 per month is given. What is the limit? 100. But here what is how much received? 90. 90 into 12. 270 into 12. 90 into 12. Whatever answer you will get, you have to minus. Next. Bonus 1 month of the salary. 20,000 per month. No, 20,000 is your bonus. Entertainment allowances 1,200 into 12. He and his employer contributed 16%. But what is the limit? 12%. Calculate 16%. Calculate 12%. Difference is taxable. Then he is provided rent-free house owned by employer, populated 11 lakh. 11 lakh means what? More than 10 lakh, less than 25 lakh. What percentage will take? We will take 7.5%. Clear? Yes. Now, he is also in receipt of medical allowances, fully taxable. Then, amount spent on medicine. Whatever he spent, we will not consider. Clear? Yes. Now, basic salary 2,40,000. But I'll go back to question. In this, he had received 2 months basic salary as advance, which was included in the previous year 18-19. Out of 2,40,000, 2 months salary 20 plus 20, 40,000 was taxed in the last year itself. Last year he had some emergency. He took 2 months salary in advance. He has taken in advance means income tax people, what they will do? You have taken advance, so you pay tax in advance. Now, he already paid for this 40,000. We will not consider now. Why? Because if you consider, it will be double taxation. Only for basic pay, we will not consider. Everywhere, we will consider that 40. Clear? Yes. 2,40,000 minus 40, 2 lakh. Dearness allowances, 50%. 2,40,000 multiplied with 50% over. Next, marriage allowances, copy paste. Education allowances, as I told you, how much he was received? 270 per month. Now, 270 multiplied with 12 and 90 he has received into 12. This will be your 3,240 and this will be 2,160. Your answer will be 1,080. Clear? This is all about your calculation. Now, bonus 1 month of salary 20,000. It is over. Next, entertainment allowances, it is 1,200 into 12. It will be 14,400. Then RPF contribution 12% of salary, that is 2,40,000 plus 60. Why? Why? Because your basic salary 2 lakh. Your bonus, it is not 2 lakh, it is 2,40,000. Your bonus, not bonus, your DNS allowances, we take half. Why? Because in the question they have mentioned 50% only. Now, we will take 60,000. 2,40,000 plus 60, how much? It is 3 lakh. Clear? So, for your RPF calculation, 3 lakh, how much he contributed? 16%. 16%. Again 3 lakh. What is the limit? 12%. Calculate. If you calculate, you will get 46,000. If you calculate, no, sorry, 48,000. This is 36,000. Minus, you will get 12,000. So, as per their calculation, 16%, you will get 48,000. As per our calculation, 12%, you will get 36,000. The difference, we call it as taxable amount. Any doubt? No doubt. Next, value of rent-free house. As I told you, take basic salary. Don't take 2 lakh. For calculation purpose, you should take 2,40,000 only. Take your bonus. Bonus, you should take only half. Take your marriage allowances. Take education allowances. Take bonus. And you have to consider your entertainment allowances as well as medical allowances. Now, add everything. You got 3,46,280 multiplied with what is the population? 11 lakhs. So it will be what is the percentage? 10. Your answer 34,628. Add everything. You will get 4,12,908 minus your standard deduction. It will be how much? It will be 3,62,908. Hopefully, there is no doubt up to this. Whatever concept I explained you in the previous session, on the same concept we worked out, you have to sit and work out once. So these are your note. Note is very simple. Rent-free accommodation, salary we have not taken 2 lakh, we have taken 2 lakh 40. Why? Because RPF or RFA we calculate on due basis. Then employee of the government, so he is not a government employee, so we have not considered entertainment allowances for exemption. Clear? Yes. So I'll go back to your problem number 10 so that you can take a screenshot. This will be your question. Your answer with working note. This will be your note. So this is all about your today's session. We're done with 2 problems which are most important in your examination. Please work out without seeing answer.